मैं कोई ऐसा गीत गाऊं कि वोकैबुलरी सिखाऊं अगर तुम कहो। इस एसआर के पार्ट 2 में आपके वेटर्स आपको आपके अपने ढाबा पे कौन से व्यंजन सर्व करने वाले हैं? We're going to serve you 16 dishes, and let me put a caveat here. The level of difficulty of words is slightly going up, but each of the 16 words and every other word which comes on the dhaba from right on now on will be a pure utility word. The word that you will find people using around you in the news channels, you'll find them in the newspapers, maybe you find them in the competitive exams, and should you use them in your writing and your spoken English, people will call you a champ. I promise you'll look so good about your English. So आज के 16 व्यंजन कौन से हैं जो हम आपको ढाबा पे सर्व करने वाले हैं? Let's check them out. The 16 of them are allusions, malcontent, gargantuan, putative, nuptial, licentious, diminutive, intrepid, innuendo. 9 में से कितने आते हैं चेक कीजिए आप. और अगले 7 कौन से हैं? बिल्कर या बिल्क या स्विंडल. Zephyr. It's not Zephyr, it's Zephyr. Onerous, libertine, intimidated. Very easy one, I'm sure you know this one at least. Cousin, yeah, cousin, C-O-Z-E-N. Petrified. So these are the 16 dishes that we're going to serve you today. And let you check for your own self, how many out of the 16 do you already know? And in case you do not know many, wow, congratulations, you're in a great zone and at a great place. ढाबा पे हम आपको सारा आपके पेट में डाल देंगे और आप कभी उसको निकाल नहीं पाएंगे. They'll become a part of you forever. So let's begin. तौबा तुम्हारे ये इशारे, हम तो दीवाने हैं तुम्हारे. तौबा तुम्हारे ये illusions या innuendo. The synonymous के 2 words आप एक साथ याद करिए. तौबा तुम्हारे ये innuendo. So this beautiful song तौबा तुम्हारे ये इशारे, this movie चलते चलते got released in 2003. Shahrukh Khan, Rani Mukherjee starrer. As a noun it means an indirect or a passing reference. एक indirect reference, एक इशारा, directly ना कहा गया हो but indirectly एक इशारा दिया हो. For example, the book written in 1929 contained several allusions or innuendos to some widespread viral infection in 2020. Scary ना? But 1929 में किसी ने कोरोना predict कर दिया था. So at times people spook you out with the future forecasting things. So allusions means innuendo. Innuendo means ishare. One more way to remember this word would be देवानंद जी का एक कितना मस्त गाना था. आंखों ही आंखों में इन्नुएंडो हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया, आंखों ही आंखों में illusion हो गया. And one more Amitabh Bachchan special song which I remember, very beautiful song. छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या innuendo. Yeah, illusion, ishara. So I'm sure you got it right. These 2 words are a part of you forever. Just one more revision and they are with you forever. My name is Khan and I'm not a terrorist. Oh, what a beautiful movie it was. My name is Khan and I'm not a malcontent. Malcontent means someone who disturbs or causes trouble. The malcontent youth soon began to plan a revolt. You can use this word both as a noun as well as an adjective. It was too late to stop the malcontents with a show of force. So I'm sure you got it right. My name is Khan and I'm not a malcontent. Someone who creates trouble or disturbance or a terrorist kind of a person. That is a malcontent. So 80% mnemonics, the word connects, are absolutely right. The other 20%, the nuance, the finer shade, the finer differences, exact definition and meaning, you have to back it up, substantiate with a good dictionary when you make your notes. So 80 plus 20, जब 80 मेरा 20 आपका हो जाएगा तो word आपका permanently हो जाएगा. Right? I'm sure you got it right. So malcontent means my name is Khan, I'm not a malcontent. So SRK की बहुत ही हिट मूवी आई थी वीर ज़ारा. Veer Zara would be now called as Intrepid Zara. Intrepid means fearless, very brave. So Veer Zara, what do you call it? Intrepid Zara. And how to use it as a sentence? Our intrepid army men. Yeah, some intrepid boys were still ready to take the difficult journey even after the calamity. एक सलमान भाई का गाना था दबंग मूवी का, हुड़ हुड़ दबंग 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 दबंग. दबंग मीन्स जो कि fearless हो. So इसको हम चेंज कर देंगे, हुड़ हुड़ intrepid intrepid intrepid. I'm sure you got it right and you're never going to forget it.
He's the worst dancer, you know. Just the opposite of Hrithik Roshan.
कोई बात नहीं सेनोरिटा, ऐसे बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. सेनोरिटा, gargantuan देशों में ऐसी diminutive बातें होती रहती हैं. DDLJ, the movie which told us what the meaning of youth is when we were growing up. Yeah, it made us daydream, it made us understand what love is all about. बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती हैं. Could be said as gargantuan देशों में ऐसी diminutive बातें होती रहती हैं. Back it up with a good dictionary, make your notes, and these two words are forever yours. I'm sure you got it right. SRK is उनको हम King Khan कहते हैं बॉलीवुड का. Regarded, he is regarded. So when you regard someone, the word is putative. As an adjective, it means something which is generally considered or reputed to be. Supposed. He's a supposed King Khan. You know, how to use it in a sentence? DNA testing will not be possible because the putative father has died. Putative means supposed to be. You can use another word called as putatively. Putatively as a word, it is used as an adverb. Putative as an adjective and putatively as an adverb. So putative is supposed to be. For example, Rahul is the putative bully of class 10th. क्या मूवी थी यार, मस्त मूवी. अमृतसर, what a beautiful place it is. और फुलकारी के दुपट्टे इन्होंने पहने मिसेस कोहली ने, और शाहरुख खान जी को सेंटी किया. और रब ने बना दी जोड़ी would be called as रब ने nuptial set करा दी. रब ने nuptial set करा दी. Nuptial means anything to do with marriage or weddings. So today I receive a lot of emails from ladies who are in their 25 to 32. They're saying, माँ बाप पीछे पड़े हुए हैं, शादी कर लो. So they are worried, the parents are worrying about their nuptial plans. What ladies, even men also. Nuptial means wedding. Their nuptials were initially planned for Europe, but because of Corona, they finally married each other at the Agarwal Community Center. So nuptial means wedding. एक पुराना गाना था बहुत अच्छे वाला, शायद मेरे नप्टियल का ख्याल दिल में आया है, इसीलिए मम्मी ने मेरी तुम्हें चाय पे बुलाया है. Anyways, so पुराने गाने कितने मस्त होते हैं ना. Nuptial means शादी, right? I'm sure you got it right. एक शाहिद कपूर जी की मूवी आई थी विवाह, मैंने देखी नहीं, बट just for if you're more of a younger generation, millennial, then Viva, I'm sure you would be able to recollect more than the song I just sang. Viva would be called as nuptial. I'm sure you got it right. Surinder Sani from Punjab Power. तानी जी, आप क्या चाहती हैं?
सुरिंदर जी, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझसे इतना प्यार करिए कितना कभी किसी ने किसी को ना किया हो. सुरिंदर जी, आप क्या चाहते हैं?
मैं तानी जी डॉन को जंगली बिल्लियां बहुत पसंद है. डॉन को लाइसेंशियस बिल्लियां बहुत पसंद हैं. जंगली बिल्लियां, लाइसेंशियस बिल्लियां. सो लाइसेंशियस मीन्स समवन who's lacking in legal or moral restraints, someone who disregards the conventional morality norms, or someone who goes beyond the bounds or limits. जंगली बिल्लियां, मतलब licentious बिल्लियां. बहुत important महत्वपूर्ण सिनोनिम है इसका libertine. Libertine में भी पहले दो अल्फाबेट्स L आए हैं और licentious में भी L आए हैं. So you can make these two parts, these two words a part of yours forever. Licentious as well as libertine. The lady officer recognized his licentious advances early on and warned him. भाई सुधर जा. Licentious means जो कि खुला, मतलब जिसमें कोई बंदिश ना हो. डॉन को licentious बिल्लियां बहुत पसंद है. I'm sure you got it right. बहती हवा सा था वो, मतलब बहती ज़ेफर सा था वो. Again, the pronunciation I'm reiterating for you is not Zephyr, it is Zephyr, a soft, gentle breeze. With the cyclone warning in place, it goes without saying that you can expect more than a Zephyr. Right? So मेरी 3 साल की बेटी आर्या, उसको जब मैं सुलाना होता है तो उसके लिए लोरी जो गाता हूँ, वो शाहरुख खान की मूवी है, उसका ये गाना है. इस नेसर के स्पेशल इट इज. ले जाए जाने कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं 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 would be called as zephyr. ए दिल है मुश्किल मतलब although it was an SRK movie as well, but Ranbir Kapoor, like his father, wonderfully talented father, stole the show here as well and took away Mrs. Kohli. No, acting कुछ लफड़ा हो गया था लास्ट में. ए दिल है मुश्किल would be called as ए दिल है onerous. ए दिल है, it means onerous means something which is very difficult. Let us applaud, acclaim and compliment the onerous duties of doctors during corona times, you know. Nurses, policemen, very onerous duties means something which is difficult. और इसी मूवी का एक बहुत हिट डायलॉग हुआ था, अगर आपने मूवी देखी हो. शाहरुख खान जी ने कहा था कि डरे हुए लोग अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं. I don't remember if SRK said it or Aishwarya Rai said it, but the dialogue was डरे हुए लोग अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं. Could be retermed in English as, in a ढाबा language, intimidated या petrified लोग अक्सर अल्फाजों के पीछे छुपते हैं. दगाबाज रे होए दगाबाज रे तोरे नैना बड़े दगाबाज रे. भाई का नाम ना आए तो कोई भी ढाबा कंप्लीट नहीं है. दगाबाज रे होए दगाबाज रे would be called as कज़नर रे होए कज़नर रे तेरे नैना बड़े कज़नर रे. Kazner as a noun means someone who cheats, a dishonest person, an imposter or a swindler. इसका एक derived word है cousin. It's not cousin, it is C-O-Z-E-N, cousin. So याद रखने के लिए आप कोई आपका cousin हो जो कि जिसने cheat किया हो या धोखेबाज हो, dishonest हो, उसका नाम याद रख लीजिए. कुछ भी आप पिंकू, शिंटू, सोनू, काकू जो भी है मतलब उसका नाम याद. जब आप association बनाते हैं तो आप कभी नहीं भूलते. Right. So usage would be he cozened several ladies, elderly ladies, into believing that he was intending marriage. And the synonym for it is a swindle or a bilker or a bilk. When you bilk someone, is someone then you cheat someone. So I'm sure you got it right. So we done for the day and let us recapitulate. आपको कितना याद रहा है मैं आपको मीनिंग नहीं बताऊंगा. आप अपने आप से पूछिए कि क्या इस शब्द का मीनिंग आपको आपके दिमाग में घुसा कि नहीं घुसा. क्या हम आपकी अच्छी सर्विस कर पाए. क्योंकि अगर आपको अभी भी वर्ड्स याद नहीं हुए देन इट क्लियरली मीन्स वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव आवर सर्विस एट अ ढाबा. हम अच्छी सर्विस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं और आप हमें टिप नहीं देंगे. So let's check out the 16 words whether you got them right or not. The first one, illusions. आता है कि नहीं. Malcontent, gargantuan, putative, nuptial, licentious, down को licentious पे लिया. Synonym क्या था इसका? Libertine, I'm sure you remember. Diminutive, intrepid, innuendo, bilk, bilker, swindle. Zephyr, onerous, libertine, intimidated. Dagabazare, cousin, petrified. So 16 done for the day. So boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, शाहरुख खान के टोटल 4 सीजन्स होने वाले हैं. 2 हो चुके हैं, 2 एपिसोड्स हो चुके हैं, 2 और आएंगे थोड़ी सी ब्रेक के बाद. इसके बाद हम रेट्रो स्टार्ट करेंगे. But I'm really hoping that you're enjoying the time that you're spending at Dhaba, because our intention of working this hard is only one, and that is that you become good. And if you're not becoming good, then you're defeating our whole effort and intention. Make sure you revise these words and make them an integral part of your communication till the time we come with the new set of dishes at Dhaba. Hasta la vista. Thank you very much. Stay rising, stay shining. Thank you.